Accidents on board ships can be devastating, not just for the crew, but for the environment and the economy as well. Understanding the major causes of these accidents is crucial for anyone involved in maritime activities, whether you're an aspiring seafarer, a logistics professional, or simply someone interested in shipping safety. One of the primary causes of accidents is human error. Studies show that a significant percentage of maritime incidents stem from mistakes made by crew members. This can range from miscommunication during operations to fatigue related lapses in judgment. It's essential for crews to undergo rigorous training and to maintain open lines of communication. Regular drills and simulations can help prepare everyone for real life scenarios, ensuring that they know how to respond effectively under pressure. Next, let's talk about equipment failure. Ships are complex machines with numerous systems that must work in harmony. A failure in navigation systems, engine malfunctions, or even issues with safety equipment can lead to catastrophic outcomes. Regular maintenance checks and inspections are vital. Crew members should be trained to recognize early signs of equipment malfunction and know how to address them before they escalate into serious problems. Weather conditions also play a significant role in maritime accidents. Navigating through storms or rough seas can be incredibly challenging. It's crucial for crews to stay informed about weather forecasts and to have contingency plans in place. Understanding the limitations of the vessel and the capabilities of the crew can make all the difference. Sometimes, the best decision is to delay departure or alter the route to avoid dangerous conditions. Another factor to consider is the impact of cargo. Improperly loaded or secured cargo can shift during transit, leading to instability and potential capsizing. It's essential for logistics professionals to ensure that cargo is loaded according to safety guidelines and that the crew is trained in securing loads properly. Regular audits of loading procedures can help mitigate these risks. Lastly, let's not overlook the importance of safety culture on board. A strong safety culture encourages crew members to prioritize safety in every aspect of their work. This means not only adhering to protocols, but also feeling empowered to speak up when they see something unsafe. Leadership plays a crucial role here. When captains and officers model safe behavior and prioritize safety, it sets the tone for the entire crew. In summary, the major causes of accidents on board ships include human error, equipment failure, adverse weather conditions, cargo issues, and a lack of safety culture. By focusing on training, maintenance, weather awareness, proper loading practices, and fostering a strong safety culture, we can significantly reduce the risk of accidents at sea. Safety is not just a set of rules, it's a mindset that everyone involved in maritime activities must embrace.